So I have my little helper here today, and for today's meal we're going to use the crock pot. I'm going to make some crack chicken sandwiches. I found this recipe through Pinterest. We've had it a couple times and really enjoy it. So you'll need some chicken breasts. I have 2. Also some cream cheese. I just used the regular Philadelphia cream cheese. It was frozen. It's starting to thaw out. And then you need a package of ranch mixed seasoning, and then you just throw it all in here. I personally like to use these slow cooker liners, but I know some people don't, but I do. So I'm going to go ahead and use one of those.
So the chicken is done, so I'm just going to go ahead and shred it all and throw it back into the crock pot, mix everything, and leave it on warm for about 30 minutes before dinner is ready. I like to wash my breakfast and lunch dishes after lunch, so I'm just going ahead and putting all of that stuff away. And while dinner is finishing up, I go ahead and get my husband's lunch ready for the day. So I empty out his bag. He usually does this, but he didn't get a chance to today. So I'm emptying it out and getting his snacks. So we have a stray cat that hangs out in our front yard, and if you guys don't know, cat poop is really bad for you when you're pregnant. So Michael figured out that putting coffee grinds in the front yard helps keep the cat away. So now I save all our coffee grinds so the cat can go to a different yard. So for today's side, we're having broccoli, so I'm just washing it and cutting it up. I like my broccoli to be cooked, so I put my broccoli and Michael Jr.'s broccoli in the microwave so it can get steamy, and I give my husband Michael raw broccoli because that's what he prefers. I think that's disgusting. And again, since dinner still isn't ready, I'm just going ahead and doing some laundry. I always have loads of laundry to do. I thought this was really cute. They were outside playing with chalk, and my husband Michael is teaching my son how to do shapes and what shapes are, and they were just talking about shapes, and it was really cute. I had to record it.
Dinner, I had a side of broccoli, and then I put the chicken in some burger buns, and the chicken was cooked in about like 5 hours, but I let it cook for 5.5 and then let it warm for 30 minutes. And this is my plate, and then Michael's plate, and it's dinner.
So it's after dinner. I'm just putting all of the leftovers in a container, and then my husband Michael usually cleans the dining room table. He sweeps and cleans everything up in the dining room so I don't have to worry about it, so that's super helpful to me.
that is it.
If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you guys know that my son Michael has a playpen in the living room, and he no longer stays in it, so he escapes now, and he comes and hangs out with us in the kitchen while we're cleaning up. So now I have to find some other ways to keep him distracted. Now that the dishes are done, I'm going to go ahead and wipe the rest of the counters. I like to wipe everything down, even if I didn't use it that day, just because it makes it look so much better once it's all cleaned up. So I clean up the stove, the counters, the coffee maker, the microwave, and all of the counters. I like to wipe off my crock pot after every use so it doesn't get nasty or there isn't any kind of like leftover food on there. Well, guys, I've been having this crock pot for over 2 years, and just today I took off the plastic thing on it. Oh my gosh, I just realized it had it on, which I think is so funny. So now I'm going to go ahead and sweep, and I don't like sweeping or mopping without shoes on. So I went ahead and put out my flip-flops so I can sweep the kitchen. And then I'm going to go ahead and mop. I'm using the Swiffer stick, but for the pad, I'm actually using a chamois from Dollar Tree that I cut to fit the Swiffer, and it works perfectly fine. I wash it and reuse it all the time. And for my liquid, for my floor cleaner, I'm just using the Method wood cleaner. I think this is the almond scent. It smells good, but it smells like it's not real almond, so it definitely has like a fake smell to it. It's not my favorite. So here's my clean kitchen. It looks so nice and pretty. And that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe and enjoy my channel. And here's a little kiss from Michael.